Are you looking for a natural way to boost your erection quality without using pills or medications? Imagine improving your intimate life with just 3 natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. These ingredients combine to create a powerful drink that can enhance your erection and help you last longer in bed. We'll share all the details with you in this video. Unlike drugs that often have side effects, drinking this regularly can safely improve your sexual performance and lower the risk of erectile dysfunction. If you already have erectile dysfunction, this drink is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and nitric oxide, which improve blood flow and help you maintain a lasting erection. Whether you're a young man looking to increase your stamina or an older man wanting to regain your youthful vigor, this drink can benefit you. Try it and see how it can improve the duration and energy of your erections. But before we reveal this potent drink, let's discuss how an erection works. Understanding this will help you see how the ingredients in this drink can boost your sexual performance. An erection is an interesting process involving your brain, nerves, muscles, and blood flow. It all starts with sensory and mental stimulation in your brain, which sends messages to your penis through your nerves. These signals tell the muscles of the corpora cavernosa, which is the sponge-like tissue in your penis, to relax. As they relax, blood flows in and fills the open spaces. To keep this erection, a series of valves trap the blood under high pressure. But what's the key factor that allows for better blood flow to the penis, enhancing sexual performance? It's nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule your body makes that signals the smooth muscles around your blood vessels to relax. This relaxation widens your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely into the corpora cavernosa, leading to a strong, steady erection. However, achieving and maintaining a lasting erection can sometimes be difficult due to various factors. Health conditions like cardiovascular diseases and clogged arteries are major threats to erectile function. When your heart and blood vessels aren't working properly, blood flow to your penis can be compromised. Imagine trying to push water through a narrow, clogged pipe. That's what happens when plaque buildup restricts blood flow in your arteries. As a result, your penis struggles to get the blood it needs to achieve and sustain a robust erection, leading to erectile dysfunction. Stress can also play a major role in affecting your sexual performance. Your mind and body are connected, so when you're under a lot of pressure, it can impact your sexual performance. Your brain becomes distracted, releasing stress hormones like cortisol, which can block the signals responsible for triggering an erection. This can hurt your sexual performance, leaving you and your partner unsatisfied. Similarly, a poor diet can damage your erectile function without you even realizing it. An unhealthy diet rich in refined carbs, processed foods, and bad fats can lead to high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and obesity, all of which are risk factors for cardiovascular diseases and clogged arteries. These conditions, as we mentioned earlier, affect blood flow to your penis, causing erectile dysfunction. To solve this issue, you don't need to rely on drugs like Viagra for sexual performance and maintaining a lasting erection. Instead, 3 natural ingredients can do the job effectively. The first ingredient is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is an underrated kitchen staple that contains a wealth of essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and B complex, as well as minerals like calcium, potassium, and zinc. It is rich in powerful antioxidants like capsaicinoids and carotenoids, which protect your body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Many sexual problems, including erectile dysfunction, can be traced back to poor blood flow. But the good news is that cayenne has been shown to relax blood vessels, promoting smoother circulation throughout the body. Imagine a highway with wider lanes. That's what cayenne pepper can potentially do for your blood flow, including down to your penis. This improved blood flow is super important for achieving and maintaining an erection. Cayenne pepper's capsaicin can also help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage blood vessels and impair erectile function. Cayenne pepper also boosts your metabolism, increasing your energy levels and helping you feel more energized and alert. This increased energy can translate to better sexual performance and more satisfying intimate experiences. Our next star ingredient is honey. You might be surprised since sweeteners like sugar have been shown to promote erectile dysfunction, but that's not the case with honey. This golden nectar is loaded with nitric oxide, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and magnesium, as well as powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, making it nature's gift for overall well-being, including sexual health. Nitric oxide, as we mentioned earlier, plays an essential role in promoting blood flow to the penis by relaxing the smooth muscles of the blood vessels. Honey contains various bioactive compounds, including nitrates, which help in enhancing nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is an important signaling molecule that helps control blood vessel tone, immune response, and nerve signals. This improves sexual performance by boosting blood flow and nerve communication. Honey also supports cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to erectile function. Its antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, preventing damage to your blood vessels and promoting better blood circulation. A healthier cardiovascular system means your body can more efficiently deliver blood to your penis, enabling stronger and longer-lasting erections. Our final ingredient in this natural erection-boosting drink is cocoa. Cocoa contains nutrients that enhance erection, such as vitamin B1, magnesium, and potassium, along with strong antioxidants like flavonols and proanthocyanidins. Flavonols, especially polyphenol, benefit blood vessel health by focusing on the endothelium, which is the thin lining of your blood vessels. These substances increase nitric oxide production, a potent natural vasodilator, which helps to relax and whiten blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. This improved blood flow enhances blood supply to the tissue in the penis, which in turn helps you achieve and maintain a strong erection, as erections occur when the penis becomes engorged with blood. Cocoa also has the potential to boost mental health and mood, which is an essential factor in sexual performance. This is due to the presence of several psychoactive compounds, such as theobromine and phenylethylamine, which can positively impact mood and arousal. They do this by triggering the release of pleasure chemicals like dopamine, which create a sense of euphoria and well-being. Plus, cocoa's high magnesium content helps reduce stress and anxiety. As mentioned earlier, stress and anxiety can put significant pressure on the body, leading to the release of stress hormones such as cortisol, which may interfere with the signals that initiate an erection. Now that you know the incredible power of cocoa, cayenne pepper, and honey, it's time to discover how to combine these ingredients into a potent drink that will supercharge your erections and transform your intimate life. But before we reveal this powerful recipe, do well to hit the like button and subscribe to Vitality Voyager for more eye-opening content like this. Have you done that? Great! Now let's continue. To prepare the drink, you need to start by bringing about 1 cup of water to a boil. This will help dissolve the ingredients and ensure a smooth, well-blended beverage. Once the water is boiling, add 2 large teaspoons of cocoa powder. Stir well to make sure the cocoa fully dissolves and infuses the water with its rich flavor and powerful nutrients. Then add a pinch of cayenne pepper to the mix. Cayenne is potent, so a little goes a long way in providing its health benefits without overwhelming the drink. Remember, it's all about balance. Next, let the mixture cool down to about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This is because adding honey to boiling water can destroy some of its beneficial enzymes and nutrients, so patience is key here. Once the mixture has cooled, add honey to taste. Stir thoroughly to ensure it is well mixed, and enjoy the sweetness that comes with better sexual health. Taste the drink after mixing all the ingredients and adjust the amount of honey or cocoa to suit your preference. If you prefer a richer flavor, consider adding a little vanilla extract to the mixture. This step is optional but can enhance the taste and make your drink even more enjoyable. For the best results and to maximize this drink's erection-boosting properties, drink it once a day. Regular intake helps your body consistently benefit from the nutrients and compounds in the ingredients, leading to better and prolonged overall sexual health. It would be best to enjoy this drink before bedtime since it can be particularly effective during sleep, when your body undergoes repair and rejuvenation processes. However, it's important to remember that this video is for informational purposes only and not intended as medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment or diet. Additionally, men with duodenal or stomach ulcers or a history of gout should avoid this drink, as some of the ingredients may worsen these conditions. Now, tell us, how often do you include these 3 ingredients in your diet? Have you ever tried this drink before? If so, what was the result? Let us know in the comments below. And did you know that castor oil is another powerful natural remedy that can work wonders for your health and overall well-being? Click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover what happens when you start using castor oil before bed. See you there.